Hello guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Garmin Pay using your iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to take a phone and open this Garmin Connect app, which you can install from App Store, Google Play or official website. So let's open it, then click on More, and right here you would need to find this Garmin Pay tab. Click it, wait a couple of seconds, and then click Get Started to set your payment method. And right now you would need to enter your card's information, so name, number, expiration month and expiration year and security code. And after this you would need to click this next button to proceed to the next step. Now as you can see, you would need to enter your billing address, and after this click this next button to proceed to the next step. And let's just wait a couple of seconds and then agree with the terms and conditions, just accept it. And now we need to select a method to verify your identity. So after you have successfully confirmed everything, now your card will be an Apple Wallet in your Garmin Enduro watch. So now we need to check it. Let's just press and hold this light button. Great, and now we need to select this icon with a wallet and enter passcode that we have set up for this wallet. And now just hold your watch near a reader and pay for your stuff in this convenient way. So that was all for now. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.